हेलो एंड यू वाचिंग क्लैपटैप वी आर बैक अगेन आपका फिर से बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. We have produced more than 800 episodes. With every single episode, we try to establish a connect between you and your furniture because we believe the world you live in, every single item of that particular world is important for you. Everything you pick out from the market becomes a part of your life. You live with it for years together. There's an emotional connect between you and that particular furniture item. You have it in your workplace or in your home. But not often you come across people those who can establish that strong connection between that particular item and you. Somebody who knows what is in vogue, somebody who follows trend, somebody who knows the utility of it. But today we are meeting somebody who knows this art, this aestheticism totally in and out. You are going to learn a lot of things from this video. I have learned a lot of things, so I'm sure in the cacophony of store owners you will get to see something which is very smooth and harmonious. Also, this is for the people those who want to buy something which is tastefully crafted. Meet the lady who is the person behind it. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Fine, absolutely.
Welcome to Claptrap.
Thank you, thank you.
Would like to hear it from you, the name of the company. We'll start with your name first. I understand, but just introduce a little bit. Just tell us about yourself.
Well, my name is Sangeeta, Sangeeta Sahani.
Okay.
And I just happened to open a store, a furniture store by the name of Aarti and Masura.
Aarti and Masura.
Masura.
Okay. Aarti sounds like an Indian term, and the other word is?
Misura.
Okay.
Misura means bespoke,
Uh-huh.
and Artian means craftsmanship,
Okay.
and it's an Italian word.
All right.
So basically, my ideas of furniture are more European and more connected to the Italian world. So that's why I picked up the name
Okay.
to have this furniture line on this
Okay.
name.
You said this is just 1 year old, but you have a legacy of 20 years in the field of furniture and home decor.
Yes, maybe
And
more.
More?
More.
Wow.
But
Okay.
it's I have been making furniture, creating furniture for nearly more than 20 years, and created my own house space, my own family friends. My demand, I just made furniture for the people, and I had a small workshop in my own vicinity, and I used to create my own furniture.
Okay.
People really liked it.
Okay.
So they pushed me into it rather, making it.
But
I was creating furniture for my home, for different people, for different places.
Oh.
I had a house in Missouri. I created that whole place. I did my own factory. So there were for my friends' places, my family. So I have been busy with that work
Okay.
for over 19 years. So
Oh.
there was thought of having a showroom because I was too busy doing all that.
All right. But this
So-
has come as a blessing for us, otherwise we would have not met you. Okay.
That's a nice thing.
Okay.
But this was just the creation, the flair and the desire to make furniture that pushed me into the store.
Right. So in a way, it's comfortable for you now, rather than working from home for the limited people. Now you have a wider spectrum.
Yeah, I
Okay.
do have a wider spectrum, and I have people coming to me and they feel happy where the furniture is made, and they feel, thank God we've come to you because we are getting what we want.
Okay.
Usually when we go to the market, we have to pick up furniture. Out here, we can create our own furniture.
Okay.
So that's the satisfaction the clients get, and that is making me more enthusiastic about the furniture
I'm sure.
showroom.
I'm sure in these 20 years you must have adored multiple homes and home decors. You must have created, you must have taken out a lot of dreams into realities.
Yes.
How
lots.
many homes you have done so far? Must have
I
touched
think
them.
countless. I can't count them.
Okay.
And the furniture also has gone so much because sometimes I see a furniture and I said, oh my God. I go somewhere, I say, oh, this was created by me so many years back. It's still lying there.
All right.
So you feel happy. Whenever you see your old pieces, then you realize, oh, I made this. Then
All right.
it gives you a pleasure.
Okay. All right, so we got to understand that you design furniture, you manufacture, and you deal in the very, very creative furniture stuff only,
Furniture.
not something which is very run-off-the-mill types.
No, I basically get the feel of the client, what they want, and accordingly I suggest them furniture.
Okay.
I give them designs, and what they choose, whatever design they want out of that, and they make it.
Okay.
So suppose a person has come, I have a sample of a sofa cum bed lying in my showroom, and they came, they said, no, we want an L-shaped
Okay.
sofa. It was a straight 3-seater. She said, no, we wanted a 6-seater.
Okay.
So I have converted that 3-seater into sofa cum bed and the
Okay.
L into a normal sofa. So I have created that for her. So this is my credibility,
Okay.
I would say,
Cool.
in my furniture line.
All right. So this comes very instinctively, by very, very instinctively creative, because you have been doing it on your own.
Yeah.
And you're traveling to different countries, cross borders. You have visited a lot of stores and you have attended a lot of exhibitions, furniture
Yes,
exhibitions.
yes,
Did
I
it help
have.
you in terms of learning creativity?
Yes, that has helped me. Most of it has helped me because I got the cushion know-how learnt in Italy, how
Okay.
it should be soft
Oh.
for a sofa. So
Okay.
it is not the normal kind of a cushions what are made here. It's a technique which I learnt in Milan.
Okay.
So which gives my sofa a more comfortable sitting rather than the usual one.
Okay.
So these are small little things which I have learnt over the years, which I incorporate in my furniture.
And there's one more thing you were saying before we started rolling on the camera, and you were talking about the Indian way of making furniture is far superior compared to the European
Yes,
style.
yes.
So just tell us a little bit about that.
See, Indians, we like sturdy furniture.
Okay.
We like hardboard. We want to have a furniture which lasts longer and which looks good.
Okay.
Now, the designs of the Europeans are excellent, and they are so beautiful that you can't resist them. But the material what they use is all particle board and light material, and our Indians don't like that. So they prefer, having a hard board. So I'm having a mixture of both.
Okay.
I'm having our Indian material with the European designs.
Okay, I think this is the most beautiful. This is the most beautiful combination where you have interesting designs and you have the sturdiness and the stability of Indian aestheticism, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and our aesthetics are different from the European aesthetics, or they are similar?
They are similar.
Similar.
They are
Okay.
similar.
The question about the way of dealing. Not many people do it, but we have couple of vendors those who are not selling like routine conventional run of the mill stores. You deal little differently,
Yeah.
because you have very limited stock. You don't
Yeah.
have huge inventory. How do you operate the business?
Well, people do come
Okay.
and they give their own designs, or they come and they say, we have this place,
Ji.
please let us know how we could decorate this.
Acha.
So they would give me a design, I would incorporate that design, create a surrounding area, create a chair for them, create a table for them, what aesthetically will look good.
Acha.
So I would, just create the whole thing, give them a computer plan and tell them that this is how it is placed in your room, whether you like it, according to their requirement, then I develop the whole thing.
Okay.
So
देखा जाए
it's
तो
a
इस तरह
room
से-
you take to
जी.
develop a whole room, maybe a drawing room or a bedroom.
Okay.
So you create whatever is there, we incorporate that into it,
अच्छा.
and develop our own stuff which coordinates with that.
All right. So primarily there are three types of people. जो आपको बोलते हैं कि आप हमारे हिसाब से फर्नीचर डिज़ाइन कर दो,
Yeah.
जो अपने डिज़ाइंस लेके आते हैं,
Yeah.
and then third way of doing it when you make a mix and match of both.
Yeah,
Right. Suppose I come back to you and say that I want a Chesterfield sofa.
Yeah.
And I show you the place and you believe the Chesterfield is not going well.
Yeah.
And maybe River Cross or the 20th
Yeah,
century will
yeah,
go very
yeah,
well.
yeah.
So you give your suggestions, right?
I do give my suggestions,
Okay.
and then most of them do agree because they feel, that is what it is. Chesterfield will not look nice here, so they do agree with me, and then they go with the design what I give them. They really like it. They
Okay.
appreciate it.
All right.
So it's basically coordinating with a person, coordinating with the material, and making the space look beautiful and livable
Right.
and warm. Basically, more important is the warmth in the room.
Okay. All right. And also, you were sharing a story that every furniture shows the statement and the mindset of the resident of the house.
Yes,
So you
yes.
keep that character as
Yes,
well,
yes,
right?
yes.
Every furniture has a character.
Every furniture has a character, and every person will take the furniture according to his character.
Okay.
So it's all coordinated. You know,
Right.
it's a different level where we don't understand our furniture. Where people do understand the furniture, they really appreciate the furniture.
Okay.
So that's how it goes. It's all hand in hand.
Correct. So the मैम मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट वेयर वी एक्सप्लोर प्रोडक्ट्स.
Okay.
आपके केस में थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है बाकी लोगों से. बाकी स्टोर्स में जनरली होता है कि बहुत सारे फर्नीचर होते हैं एंड देन दे कीप ऑन एक्सप्लोरिंग. But your way of dealing is very different, very different, because you deal with the niche crowd, right? You deal with those who love furniture with taste.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
not
That would be-
everybody.
yeah.
Okay, all right. So we are going to see some of the products, and then to see more designs, how do they get in touch with you? तो वो मुझे बताइएगा एंड ऑफ द वीडियो. हम पहले कुछ प्रोडक्ट जो अभी अवेलेबल हैं स्टोर में, we'll check them out, right?
Okay.
ठीक है. We'll start from here.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is a very normal casual table
Okay.
which is kept to the side. It's more of a console with the entrance
Okay.
of a house and a very simple casual kind of a piece. Then you have this chair which is in the drawing room.
Okay.
You usually put it and it's a comfortable sofa chair
Okay.
which a person would rather like to sit and have his tea or coffee.
Okay. So these are the bedroom chairs, I guess.
These are the bedroom chairs, or you can put it in the lounge.
Okay.
These are movable chairs. Wherever you want to put, you can put.
Okay.
This is a statement sofa.
Okay.
These are the sofas.
Can we give a little bit about the pricing as well? Like how much will it cost if we talk about this one?
This would be around.
Like this bedroom chair?
This bedroom chair would be just around not more than 15,000.
Okay. And the wood is teak wood.
It's all dealt in teak wood.
Teak wood.
And
Even
we
this table
have-
is teak wood, right?
Yeah,
This one.
that's all teak.
Okay.
Usually I use teak in my
Furniture?
furniture because that gives a very good grains and the good look of a furniture comes out in teak.
Okay. And
So
then
this
in
is-
this we have suede velvet.
This is suede.
Okay,
Yes,
suede.
this is velvet. This is not suede. This is
Okay.
velvet.
Velvet.
This is velvet. This is also velvet. This is a European velvet with little grains in it. And this is an emerald green sofa which has a rich look with its carving and a antique polish. It's that cream color polish
Okay.
which gives a statement look in a drawing room on as a piece.
Okay. This is 3-seater, I guess.
This is 3-seater.
But usually 3-seaters are not that long. I mean, I can see they are relatively
No,
longer than the.
our sizes of a seat is a little more than the usual. We
Okay.
take it as 22 inches for
Okay.
one seat.
Okay.
So that's a comfortable seat for a person.
All right.
So that's how you'll find it. It's a little bit longer.
Okay. I'll check out legs also because they play very important role.
They
huh?
are all carved legs,
Uh-huh.
handcrafted
Okay.
in my own factory. And all this is done in house in the factory.
Right.
People can come and see their work being done. They
Okay.
can see the furniture being made. They can see what is being put into it and create their own furniture.
Okay.
Rather.
All right. And very artistically placed against the light green wall, just because
Yeah.
then it actually stands out from the
Yeah,
from the wall, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Otherwise, this is a nice color. Otherwise, it goes with the plain white and off-white colors as well, rather pastel colors, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
The combination you see, I've given that cream color chair with this. This is the color combination. You know, if one thing is very dark,
Uh-huh.
you would like to put another lighter effect
Okay.
in front so that it doesn't, you know, gets
Ha.
overpowering.
Right.
So we
Otherwise,
deal
they
with-
get merged also.
it gets merged
Right.
and it doesn't overpower.
And there's a Chesterfield done on it.
There's
the
a
tufting is done.
Chesterfield. Yeah, there's
Okay.
a Chesterfield done on this.
And approximately in what range is this per
This
seat?
would be around 20 to 25 per seat.
Per seat.
Per
Okay.
seat.
And we have already set the standard. We were talking about the structure is made of shisham wood.
Yeah,
Sorry,
no,
teak wood.
teak wood.
Right.
It's all teak.
Okay. And this nest of three?
Sorry,
This-
this nested table is a normal table, a casual table
Mm-hmm.
for people to use a 3-seat table for
Okay.
everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
This is also teak. The legs are teak,
Mm.
and it's priced at around 8,000 for
Okay.
three.
For three.
For three.
Oh, okay. I was attracted to these two little tiny poofs
Yeah,
basically when I moved in.
these are those small little poofs where you can keep them anywhere. They can add color to any corner of your room.
Okay.
Make you feel pleasant. And these stools can be used. They are one top of the other. They can be used as puja stools or puja room or in the drawing room or wherever you would like. It's a handy piece, can
Okay.
move around anywhere.
All right. In what range is this?
This would be around 4,500 for the
Okay.
smaller one and 5,500 for a bigger one.
Okay. This looks like raw silk to me.
This is raw silk. This is, I have not used that raw silk because raw silk is expensive. This is washable.
Okay.
So this is actually a synthetic raw silk. So it's washable and it remains as it is, very sturdy.
Okay. Generally, raw silks are not advisable on furniture. So how did you manage that one? Because not
Because-
many people do that.
Yeah, because this is a raw silk which is synthetic. It's much stronger than the normal raw
Okay.
silk.
Okay.
It's much stronger.
So these are
And
some of the nuances you always keep in mind when you design a furniture. The kind of fabric you use it, otherwise
yes,
it doesn't
that
last
is
long.
all there. That
It's not
that
just
fabric selection is most important.
okay.
The more particular you are about the fabric, the better product you
Okay.
get.
So look is not the only thing that you keep in
No,
mind,
no,
right?
no,
Okay.
no.
All right. Going to the next one now. All right. These are
This
the
is a casual settee which can be placed anywhere in the bedroom, in your lobby, lounge,
Okay.
anywhere you want to place with a planter or whatever you want. You can use this.
Okay.
That can be a very nice corner bedroom.
and how much is this for? So I'm so sorry.
This-
I'm very inquisitive about the price. Okay.
This is for 6,000 only.
Okay.
Now
Okay.
this one is a sofa,
Mm-hmm.
a cradle sofa which we call.
Okay. Okay.
And this cradle sofa is usually very nice in a comfortable bedroom.
Uh-huh.
Where you can, just lie down with your legs up, sit and read a book, or
Okay.
you're doing your any other kind of work you can use
Okay.
doing that. So this is basically for that.
Mm-hmm. And very nice contrast, two cushions coming along with it.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's very nice, comfortable cushioning. You can put your legs up and sit properly on it.
Okay. Right. Done. And the customization in this is possible.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because what we get to see here, they're just some of the samples.
Yeah.
All right. Not the store. Because generally you make.
These are the samples. Person who orders will get a new piece.
Okay. All right.
These are just the samples lying here.
Okay.
And you can, because you can sit and you can see the feel, you can know what you are.
Okay.
This is the
Console is also our production.
yeah,
Okay.
that's our production.
Uh-huh.
That's its dark polish and with the steel chrome plated steel finish.
Okay.
This is one of the design. These are just to show that we can do all kind of work.
Okay. Yeah, I understand that we don't work like conventional furniture manufacturers. We have a very limited sample piece just to display, just to prove that we make quality products.
Yeah.
And also we have do you have designs of your own, or you always believe that people should come with their own catalog?
No, I do give them designs
Okay.
myself, and I do tell them if they like, suppose if they like a leg of a chair and an arm of another chair, so I can incorporate that into one.
Oh, okay.
So it's basically the know-how of how to make a furniture. We can
Oh.
put any design.
So in a way you don't limit yourself for the limited number of furniture items, because then the
No.
sky is the limit for you.
Yeah, sky is the limit.
Okay.
Design is the limit, sky is the limit, combination is the
Okay.
limit. There is no limit for all these things.
Okay. I was attracted to this floral upholstery.
Yeah.
Very nice and very beautiful.
This is
Tropical print, is it?
Yeah, this
Okay.
is an imported fabric, and this chair is that gives a very stately look in a room wherever they are, and it's very comfortable, and you have your buffet with this to put your legs up.
Okay.
Whether you want to read your book, whether you want to play on your laptop.
Right.
And it's give character to the room as well.
Right.
Wherever it is places give you that character of awe. I think that
Okay.
that would feel ki, yeah, what a piece it is.
Right. And generally, people don't understand when it comes to making these kind of high wing chairs or Maharaja chairs, they call it. It is known by different names.
Yeah,
Everybody
yeah.
is a priest and they have baptized for their own convenience.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is usually known as a wing chair
Wing
because
chair.
these have the wings coming out on the side.
Okay.
So this is particularly known as a wing chair.
Okay.
You can rest your head against this.
Okay.
Even if you want to have a little nap, you can put your head against it and have a little nap on this chair. That is why it's called a wing chair.
Okay. And this design of wing chair is not this print, not the floral or
This
not
is a
tropical
basic
prints, but
design. You can do anything.
plain
You can make
also.
a Chesterfield in this.
Okay.
You can make a square. You can make any design.
Stripes, multiple
You
upholstery.
can bring this wing little outwardly. You can do lot of things.
You can
in this.
play with it.
Yeah, you can play. You can play with any design. that
Okay.
way.
Cool. And so, how much? In what range is this one? Is this?
This one would be for around. This one particular is expensive.
Okay.
Otherwise, it starts from 20 to
Okay.
30 or this or whatever.
How much is this for?
This one would be for about 35.
Okay. Not many people, not many store owners or designers. I'll not call you as a store owner. It's very unfair on my part. I'll call you as a designer. Not many people say this, so you're so humble and polite. You said this one is a little expensive. Okay. You're comparing, I know you're comparing it with the Indian standards.
Yeah, people have their own life in the sky.
Okay.
So it starts from 20 onwards, whatever price you want to play. It
Honesty
basically
is very-
depends on the fabric you use.
Okay.
So this particular fabric is a little expensive.
This honesty is very rare. I'll remember it.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right. So we go to the next one. I was attracted to this dining table.
Yeah, this
Okay.
is a normal dining table for youngsters
Uh-huh.
with floral print at the back of the chair, and the color is also very light and lively with
Okay.
light polish. Usually, youngsters would love this kind of a piece.
Okay.
And this color has been created from a normal teak ply,
Okay.
and which has been done by us.
Uh-huh.
So this
But
cream
normal teak plies basically are very dark and walnut in color.
Yeah.
So how come this is looking a little lighter?
that is what the treatment we do, and we are the creation of our
Okay.
product. We make it like this.
Uh-huh.
We color it in this manner and get you this look.
Okay.
It is not a colored vinyl. No.
Okay.
It has been done in our own studio.
All
in
right.
our own factory.
Okay. And if we talk about chairs, they are a little tilted. They're reclined
they
for
are
the
little,
comfort.
It's giving you more of a Scandinavian design.
Okay.
This is more
Exactly.
of the Scandinavian
Yeah, you got
design.
it right. Yeah.
And they
Correct.
all love white. They love these pastel. You could say it could be in the European countries like Greece or Scandinavian countries. You will prefer this kind of a design
Okay.
and this kind of a color of furniture.
Right. Cool. And what wood is this?
This is teak wood.
Okay.
This is teak wood. Everything is teak. The ply is also teak. Everything is. But
Okay.
it's polished. Even this is the normal teak wood which has been colored into white
Oh, okay.
and given and shown you the grains of this.
Okay. And there's a twist at the back.
Yeah.
There's a floral fabric used on the top.
There's a floral fabric, more of a Scandinavian touch.
Okay. But this again can be customized. But they look
Yeah,
with the light colors like lilac and
These
all
are
that.
very light young chairs
Okay.
for youngsters,
And now we are going to this one and this sofa
This is an L-shaped sofa. It's got a brass
inlay.
inlay, you would say, and this is for a lounge. It's a 6-seater sofa, and people, it's really in demand. People do want to have this kind of a sofa in
Okay.
their lounges, in their drawing room, so that they can lie down and
Okay.
watch TV. So this much is, it's a sample for the people. They can change it, design it according to their likes and dislikes.
What is our range of sofas? When we talk about, because sofa is the, I think, is the hottest selling product.
Yeah.
Everybody wants to buy sofas and beds. These are the two
Yeah,
things.
yeah.
What is our standard price? What is the
Our
price we
standard
start
price
with?
is from 15,000 per seat onwards.
Onwards, and it goes up to no limit.
No limits.
Yeah, it can be anything, right?
Could be anything what the client wants.
All right. Okay, so this is if we talk about this one, for example.
Yeah, this
How
is a
much is this
table.
for?
This is a table.
No, the
of,
sofa is the cost of the sofa per
this
seat.
cost of the sofa is around 1,600.
Okay, 16,000 rupees per seat.
Huh.
Okay. Yeah, you were talking about this table I was attracted to. It has got these European legs in this.
Yeah.
And there's MOP in this?
Yeah,
Or
this
horn?
is, yes, mother of pearl,
Okay.
all through on this marble, and I've specially picked up the marble which has some character in it to put the mother of pearl, and incorporated the same legs and given the same kind of a polish which is on the marble. It's the teak grains are showing, and
Right.
it's a dull creamy polish.
Oh, very well done.
Again, concept of what you call Scandinavian, you would say, or European concept. Again,
Okay.
the European touch comes into my furniture.
Okay. When we talk about the center table, would like to hear it from you that legs play a very important role when it comes to the center
Yeah,
table.
yeah.
And second, because the sleek legs will make it a little more spacious because they create the illusion of space.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah, it does. Plus,
Okay.
you have the carpet below this.
Okay.
The carpet also
Enhances the beauty.
enhances the whole beauty, and you
Oh.
can see the whole carpet below this. if
Very
you put
good.
The carpet.
Okay. And the appropriate size of a center table is very important because a lot of spaces I have seen, ma'am, because we will try to, grab as much as knowledge as possible from you.
Yeah.
I have seen at many places people do not understand the ratio between the sofa and the center table. Either they are too big or they are too small.
Yeah.
So there's a calculation.
Yeah. So
Okay.
there is a little calculation. We usually keep around 12 inches to 18 inches distance between the sofas
Okay.
and the table.
Okay.
So if we have an L-shaped sofa, we'll see around 12 to 16 inches gap between the table
Okay.
and the sofa, and then we'll calculate how much, what size of table would you suggest,
Okay.
equivalent for that area.
Okay, so first is the distance from the sofa, and then the length also matters because it becomes a little difficult to reach out to this to
so
the object.
usually it's not more than 30 inches.
Okay.
About less than 3
Okay.
feet. And usually the sizes are from 30 inches to 40 inches, 45 inches.
Okay.
That's the standard size of a nice table.
Wow, good learning for us. We have been asking these questions, but trust me, not many people could actually answer that.
Okay. No, I
Okay.
have been into it, so I know each and every. Like a person shows me a table, says what would be the height. So I said it's 18 inches. Oh, so rightly you said it. I said it can't be more than that.
Okay.
So the height of the table are also standard. We have
And-
to follow. Actually, the height of the table should be the height of the seat.
All right, so that human anatomy plays a very important role when it comes to designing a furniture.
Yeah.
I remember there was a call, you were talking to somebody and you were saying something that 22 inches for a bed is a little too high.
Yeah.
So what
yeah.
was the fact then why they wanted, why did you say suggest to 22 inches? You in fact suggested 22 inches.
Yeah, he wanted 22 inches for the reason that his children were very tall.
Okay.
And their legs were long.
Right.
So they could sit comfortably on them. This is, if I have a lower seat, they will, sink into it and it will hurt their knees. So the parent was very particular about the children's height and
Okay.
the height of the bed.
Oh, so you keep these parameters also in place when you somebody calls you for an order.
Yeah.
You ask
yeah,
the
yeah,
height and the
yeah,
body,
yeah.
the lifestyle.
We only start after getting our basics of the furniture.
Okay.
The sizes they are looking for, then only we start making the sizes
Okay.
according, because it's all homemade furniture.
All right, so ma'am, we took a small pause. Before the pause, we were talking about the parameters you keep in mind. That human anatomy is one thing. What are the other things you consider before taking a call?
Height of a person,
Okay.
the size of the person, the what he is looking for, and where is he going to place the furniture, whether
Okay.
it's going to be in a casual area or a formal area.
Oh, okay.
that also has to be taken into consideration. And then we see what are his what is his like and dislike regarding the furniture.
All right.
So then we give them the designs. First we talk and try to take the person's personality, and then we suggest them their
Okay.
furniture, what they would like to have.
Oh, there's so much, there's so much
There is
to
so
know about
much-
him.
There is so much of detailing
Analysis.
in the furniture
Yeah,
that a
this-
person would think it's not like going and just picking up a piece of furniture and
Right.
putting it in your house.
Okay. In fact, colors in psychology also play a very important role,
Colors
right?
are more important because depending on the lighting of the place.
Okay.
Now, if the lighting is bright, you can go in for lighter colors, darker colors. If the lighting is dull, you would go, into pastels and all those colors.
Okay.
So everything plays a role.
Okay.
You have to see where the light is coming off, what you're going to put where.
Okay.
That is all taken into consideration while making
Good.
a furniture for a room. I'm just talking about a room, not a house.
I know.
Yeah.
Okay. So talking about this one now.
Yeah.
Okay. What color is this?
This you could say a peacock green,
Okay.
a peacock color. And this is again a velvet with an ikat design,
Okay.
just to cut the monotony of the sofa. So we have given in this color so that it doesn't make you very gives you a dull look. Plus we've added some light cushions onto it so that it enhances the sofa.
Okay.
And we have given gold polish to give it a little richer look.
Okay. Gold polish where?
This is gold polish on teak.
On teak.
On
Okay.
teak.
Which one? This one.
No, that one. The
Okay.
table. and
Oh,
the
we're talking about the
legs.
table.
Huh.
Oh,
They
I
are-
thought it was SS, stainless steel
no,
top
no,
on the
no,
top.
no.
This is wood.
gold polish on.
Oh, okay.
This
Very
is-
nice. Very
this is
neat.
more of again a European style, where I've given a glass so that you can see the whole carpet below it.
Right.
People would love to put carpets.
Okay. So it
And-
doesn't block the view.
It
You can
doesn't
see it
block
through.
any view. Plus, by giving a heavy top on a table, the whole thing will look very heavy
Okay.
because the sofas are heavy and upholstery is heavy. So, if I put a heavy table here, this whole thing will look too bogged down and too heavy.
Oh,
So that's
okay.
why I've given a glass table in the center so that gives a lighter effect of the
Oh,
whole thing.
wonderful learning, huh? Why don't you write a book on this?
Book, these people do know all
Okay,
these
so our
things.
video is going to be like a book only, like an encyclopedia for a lot of beginners. In fact, it's a huge learning process for me.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's the experience which taught.
All right, so we were learning about this interior design thing, and you have played with the vertical lines. You have played with the in interior
Yeah.
design course. It's the
Yeah.
straight line and also
Yeah.
the circles.
Yeah.
Just to make it a little interesting. Very nice setup.
Thank
This
you.
entire setup is for drawing room.
Yeah, this is for a drawing room,
Okay.
and
All
how a
right.
person would like to have it,
Mhm,
and it's a personal choice. There's a vast variety in these things.
Okay.
I've just selected one piece out of the whole range, just
Okay.
to give a feel to the people that this is how you can set up your place. So you
Right.
can always have your changes, whatever you want. You can change it according to it.
Okay.
So just a little concept for the people what we can do.
ओके हाँ बेसिकली हम लोग यहाँ पे बताना चाह रहे हैं एक छोटा सा आइडिया दे रहे हैं कि हम लोग कहाँ किस फील्ड में किस हद क्या हम लोग व्हाट काइंड ऑफ वर्क वी डू
Work we
है ना
do, हाँ।
एक छोटा सा सैंपल है ये स्टूडियो
सैंपल
है
है
जी
हाँ। बाकी जो आपको चाहिए जो आपने बनाना है वो आप अपने तरीके से
ठीक है बना
चेंज
सकते
कर
हैं।
सकते हैं, बना सकते हैं। रेंज अपने हिसाब से ले सकते हैं, कम चाहिए कम में ले सकते हैं,
जी।
महंगा चाहिए महंगे में ले सकते हैं,
ओके
बट द क्वालिटी विल रिमेन द सेम।
ठीक है और जो हमारे मीडियम सेगमेंट के लोग होते हैं आई एम नॉट सेइंग बिलो दी देयर आर डिफरेंट सेगमेंट्स
Yeah.
उनकी अपनी अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है हमने कुछ फर्नीचर भी देख लिए हैं यहाँ पे वी हैव सीन कपल ऑफ देम एंड वी हैव गिवन दी tentative and approximate price range as well. They are not, and they also do they vary when it comes to the customization? Change हो जाता है?
अकॉर्डिंग हाँ जैसे उनको चाहिए if they want the cost of the fabric is less if the design is not demanding too many things then obviously the prices go down.
Okay.
If there is carving, the prices will go up. It's a plain sofa, the prices will be different.
Okay.
It's a cushion sofa, double cushion sofa, the price will be different. It's
Okay.
a plain single cushion sofa, that will be different.
Okay.
So it varies on to the design and on to what the client has selected.
All right. Cool.
So there is a lot of range where a client can select the because I have fabric also in my store.
Right, I
They
can see
select,
there.
huh?
I can see a huge fabric.
Yeah.
And we visited the factory also. We have seen a lot of laborers working behind.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the fabric is, there's a range from 700 to 1500, 2000. You can go wherever you want.
Okay.
So there is a choice. You can buy a lesser range fabric. A velvet could be costing around 700
Mm-hmm,
to 800 also.
Okay.
So that the choice is there. It depends on the client. How what he wants, he'll get it.
Cool.
My aim is to satisfy the client
Mm-hmm,
to his liking.
Okay. You gave me the wrap up story. I was actually planning to do it after showing this particular sofa. Okay.
I'm
So,
doing
no problem. I like it. I like the flow because that's how you start. It's very natural and honest. Okay, ma'am. So, we were talking about this one more piece. And just to show it to the people, those who want to buy a lot of carving furniture, because there's a sect of people, those who believe.
Yeah,
Yeah, that,
this is an antique polish. It gives a antique finish to the furniture.
Okay.
And maybe floral to add on color and vibrant colors into a room and enhances the your feeling of happiness when you see this thing.
Okay.
So it's basically the furniture is the thing which gives you a character, which gives you the feelings of happiness
Okay.
and contentment
Okay.
in a room.
Okay, now we have seen this particular sofa. This is again larger than the normal three-seater
Yeah.
in terms of the length.
Yeah.
Okay, now time to ask you some basic questions. Okay. Furniture and human psychology. You were saying something about this when we started rolling the camera. शुरुआत में आप हमें बता रहे थे कि आप एक प्रोसेस हमारे व्यूअर्स को अपने कस्टमर्स को देते हैं. जब वो बन रहा होता है तो हर स्टेज पे आप उनको दिखाते हैं कि कैसे बन रहा है.
Yeah.
And there are step by step changes happening.
Yeah.
And unless you reach to a stage where the renovation is or the kind of change alteration is impossible, you keep on sharing those images.
Yeah.
So why do you do that?
I basically do that because I'm making a furniture for the person.
Okay.
I'm not making a furniture for myself. So if I feel that certain things are not going right, or if they will not look nice, so I share the pictures with the client.
Okay.
And I tell them that this is what it is you have ordered, but I would suggest this. Would you like to do it like that? Then they come back to me because it's their element. They have to live with it.
Correct.
I am just making the furniture for them. So they have to be satisfied, and then the furniture is made accordingly.
okay.
Then if they want the changes, I do it in between and change the furniture. That is why I have my own in-house furniture making, because that I will not be able to do it if I'm getting it made from outside.
Okay.
So when I'm making it, I see the furniture, I like the furniture, tell the client that this is okay, you've liked it, they says yes, then I go ahead.
Okay. So very honestly, you voice out your opinion to them when you are crafting
Yeah,
something for
yeah,
them, because you believe
yeah.
they have to live with it.
Yeah, it's
And-
a furniture piece, you can't change it every day. It's
Right.
been made once. So you have to give them what they want,
Okay.
not what I want.
All right. So you believe there's a sentimental attachment like umbilical cord between child and a mother. Likewise, there's an emotional connect between the user and the furniture.
Furniture, yes.
Do they get connected
yes,
with it?
Yes, they
Okay.
do. They are so happy. I've gone clients coming back and calling me up that we are so happy with the furniture you've made, and we would love to come back to you. And because it's a created thing, and
Okay.
they have created. It's not I who's created it. It's
Okay.
they who have created their own furniture. So they feel more happy.
Yeah, but it's always two to tango, one to Charlie types. It's like their choice and your creativity. It
Yeah.
always goes hands in gloves together.
Yeah.
Because solo sometimes they can fall flat on the face.
Yeah, no, when they are going wrong, I do suggest them. This is wrong.
Okay, and how strongly you voice out your opinion? It's going to be interesting.
Very quietly.
Coffee with Karan kind of show.
Yeah, I
It's
have
okay.
a coffee and a cup of coffee with them and tell them, this is how you should turn
Okay.
around.
Okay.
So they do.
Okay.
So they do listen to the suggestions, but they find that they are okay.
I'm glad you have those kind of consumers. Otherwise, I have seen. I'm not saying there are nothing against them, but they come with very strong head.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
But I'm glad you have people like them.
No,
and
no,
I
they
request.
do. I have people coming with strong heads, but they go back with a very cool mind.
Okay, thanks a lot for making so interesting and very light, very very beautiful, and your personality shows the creativity. And the conversation, the entire discourse was full of information. Before we sign off, it's important to tell once again that we have seen some of the samples, but this is just to show the kind of level of work we can do. Otherwise, ma'am, you can manufacture anything when it comes to home decor and furnishing.
I can do with steel, with glass, with brass, furniture, incorporate anything. Mother of pearl inlay, I have marble tops, anything. Play with everything.
And
as long as furniture is concerned.
Okay, and the furniture list is also very long. You you make everything right from console to center table, side tables. You make sofas, beds, and
I make hydraulic beds as well.
Wardrobes?
Wardrobes also.
Okay, lovely.
Everything, whatever is dealing with wood.
Okay, cool. Pleasure talking to you. बहुत मज़ा आया आपसे बात करके और फिर से आपसे मुलाकात करेंगे जल्दी. Thanks a lot and lot of luck, and thank you very much for sharing this information with us. It was like doing a crash course on interior design.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.